Hello there. If there's one thing YouTube wants you to do, it wants you to buy YouTube Premium, their premium service where they let you pay for certain features that should really be mandatory. A couple of these features including the background play, so that's if you're playing music and then you close your app, you lock screen, the music will cut. And being able to download the music so you can store it and use it offline. I'm just going to show you a couple of apps which allow you to do that without having to pay for YouTube Premium. Because I'm a student and £12 a month is just too much really, just for these certain features. So the two apps you're going to need is Tubizoo and iPlay Music. So literally if you go into the App Store and then you search for Tubizoo, you can see I already have it downloaded, and then the other one is iPlay Music, I believe. Again, I've already got it downloaded, and these two apps allow you to again play YouTube videos, store it offline. So then, say if you're travelling and you don't have mobile data or Wi-Fi, you can still play your favourite videos. Just showing you the app. So Tubizoo, that's an advert, just bear in mind. I kind of want some non-copyrighted stuff, but you can see if you've got history, I'm a big fan of Chris, great YouTuber. You can favour, I'm sure you can save on this one. But if I just type in anything, you see an advert's going to pop up. Again, it's not ad free, but again it saves pain. Yeah, because it's festive, we're going to do some Christmas music. Just give it a second. On this app, you need to click the play button. Since we get to the non-copyright part. Fantastic. So normally, if you lock your phone, the music will stop. But you can hear it still playing in the background, which is fantastic. You could also see me, so that is amazing. And as you can see, it's still playing. And to show you the next app, is one I usually use, is iPlay Music. Just give it a second to load. Again, the Explorer is your YouTube search, but it could also show you all your artists and stuff. You can make your own playlists. Again, you can see how I've got one. I like to listen to it as I'm falling asleep, travelling, etc. He's just a great guy. But again, so that's some non-copyright music. And again, it's just still playing. Great, so I hope you found that helpful. This is in date as of December 22nd, and I believe it's okay for iOS 13. I will quickly check that. Yes, iOS 13.3. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.